We want to see the cutest kitty cat in all the land. Do you see what your sister did to her fly mask? Yeah, it's gross. Help me clean it. This is so cute. Oh! Hi. Oh my. Yes. Are you cute? Yes, you are. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Ow! Oh. It's a good boy. Oh my God. It's disgusting. It's got disgusting. Ew. Yeah, now you're all dirty. See what happens? Alright, so we're going to get ready to feed the horses. We have different color buckets for each horse. And we feed a alfalfa cubes and a pelleted feed. And we always wet our feed. If you're feeding a pelleted feed, you should definitely wet it because they can get it in their esophagus. And then if they drink water, it can expand. So that could really make them, they could choke. So each bucket color is also on the stalls. And that makes it easy for people to help me do the feedings. So all the stalls have their bucket sticker. And that's how we do it. So today on one of the trail rides with one of my clients, we hit the mother lode with Acorn. I have so many, they're falling out of my hands. Acorn caps, because I use these to make little Christmas ornaments. And I'll try to do a video of a couple of them so you can see what they look like. But basically I hot glue a marble into this space and use a little piece of not baling twine, it's like a, what is that called? Jute cord, I think. And they make the cutest ornaments. So anyway, super happy about all the acorn, the bounty. What? Diesel. Where are you going? Wow. Hi. Stop. Whoa. Whoa. See, I know horse language. You a good boy? Yes. Very good boy. See, I'm a good boy. Where are you going? Come on! Woo! Woo! Come on! Here they come. Yay! Who am I missing? There's Buddy. Yay! Hi, girls! So there's Velvet and Nay. There's people in the barn. Don't be scared. And Chi. Careful. And Lily. Hi, Lily. Come on, bud. Bringing up the rear. Hi. Let me guess. You just wanted to make sure all the girls got in safe, right? Is that what we're going to go with? Go ahead. You itching your behind? Chi. Are you dancing? Are you twerking? Go, Chi, go. I feel like I should play a song. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. That's right. It's better than yours. She's like, you should see her. And she keeps looking at me. She's side-eyeing me. She thinks I'm going to tell her to stop. Oh, what? I'll get you next. See, I'm okay with her rubbing over there. She won't take the whole barn down over there. She rubs on this door. It just about comes off the frame. Look at now. See? You want me to sing? Come on. Oh, Chi. Okay, so we are going up to the run-in to open the gate. because we decided to keep the horses on this side today. Or I should say tonight. And it's raining. It's raining. It's okay. Rain is good. So we're going to walk up here and open the gate for the run-in. That'll be that. We'll let the horses up here. They'll have more acreage to play on. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. Yay! Okay. It's raining. It's pouring. Got my umbrella. Did not grab my rain jacket. Big mistake. But did have an umbrella handy. And let's go up here. You can go in the side way. Sneaky, sneaky. All the black walnuts are falling. See, there's one. Right here's 1, 2, 3. They're everywhere. Ankle busters. A lot of black walnuts. Go. This is where the horses will probably spend most of their evening. So let's see. Put the umbrella down for a second. Broken umbrella. Okay, we got the gate open. Gate's open. And we're going to go this way. I wish I'd videotaped what happened about 5 minutes ago. I had the umbrella resting on my shoulder and my hair got stuck in the umbrella. So like basically it was stuck to me. Buttoned up. Now we'll head back down. We'll turn the horses out. A lot of times people ask me, you know, when it's raining, well, do you keep the horses inside? I'm like, no. They go outside. I subscribe to the philosophy that horses being in their natural environment, meaning outside, is better for their health. There are, I'm sure, studies out there that when you keep your horses in all the time, they are breathing foul air. They aren't able to socialize, which is not normal. They can't move around. Oh, I wanted to show you guys this. We added fairy wings to the trail. Just a couple. So anyway, horses being outside. When horses are outside, they are able to move around if they get cold. Again, they're able to socialize. They can eat in a more natural position, which is head down. Moving keeps things moving. We don't need to go into that, what that means. But anyway, my horses are out almost all the time. The only time I will keep my horses in is if it's dangerous, like if it's icy or something like that. So, bottom line, let your horses go outside, people. It's better for them. There they go. They got their dinner. This always makes me laugh. They always stop right there. Now watch, at least 3 of them will poop. Let's see, maybe they'll make liars out of me. This is one thing that I hope they make a liar out of me. And they are pretty much in the order of hierarchy. So Buddy Maddie's in the front, Lily is second, Chi-Chi's in the middle, Velvet's second to last, and Faith is last. Hi guys! Today was another fabulous day at Callmakers at Meadow Creek Farm. Everybody rode. One rider rode in the rain. So proud of her. So horses are out. They've been fed. Everybody's happy. And we can call it a day. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here's an example of one of the little ornaments I was mentioning. If I can get it to sit up. A little acorn. Just hot glue a little marble inside the acorn cap and use a little piece of jute cord. And it is such a cute little ornament you can hang on your Christmas tree. Feel free to steal the idea. You were snoring. Were you snoring? So sleepy. Oh. Oh, now you're purring. So sweet. Busy day. Yeah, busy. Yeah, it was a busy day. It was a busy day, wasn't it? Yeah. Night night. Go sheepies. You're making biscuits. So making biscuits with your cookies. That's some nice biscuits. I say, mm-hmm. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for Booker and me. Oh, Boogie. That's a monkey.